How to fix moisture detected in charging port error on Samsung Galaxy. So let's get started. If you accidentally spill a drink on a Samsung Galaxy phone or go swimming with it, then we have some fixes for it. First of all you have to do is remove the case and any accessories and wipe it dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Gently shake or tap it with the charging port facing down to remove tapped water. Use a soft, dry cotton swab or a gentle toothbrush to remove any visible moisture and debris. Let your phone dry in a well-ventilated area or near a fan for several hours. Now, even after that, if this does not solve, then open the Settings app and tap on the apps option available there. Now, tap the short icon and toggle on Show System Apps and press OK. Now scroll down and tap on the USB Settings app. Then tap on the Storage and tap on the Clear Cache, then restart your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.